Trends is a non-sales recruitment initiative that allows you guys to get your hands on the exclusive ASPI merchandises by just referring. And of course, this is on top of the monetary ERP bonus. And all you have to do is refer so that you can get your hands on this exclusive ASPI merchandise. So every recruitment process stage that your referrals pass, you get points.
Employee referral program is really one of the powerful recruiting tools we have, especially for SPI, and we'd like to highlight it not only this year but every year, and would like you to get a glimpse of what we plan to do next year, which is more on the employee experience as part of our internal branding.
Ladies and gentlemen, may we present to you the first selection of ERP Trends 2018.
We have 4 ways to refer. You can text, you can email, you can fill out a referral form, or you can tag your friends on our Facebook posts.